Today I wanted to create an autumn inspired look using the colors of the sunset. Welcome to my channel. My name is Rasha. I'm from Peridot Makeup, makeup artist of 20 years, specializing in bridal makeup and real life makeup. What you'll find in my channel is real life advice for realistic makeup. Unfortunately, these days you see many makeup trends that are completely unrealistic, or makeup techniques that are really not necessary in real life. What I wanted to do in my channel is to provide real life, realistic advice that will actually help you create that flawless makeup look that lasts you all day, regardless whether you're going to go out and it starts pouring out on you, your hair is going to get soaking wet, but your makeup will be flawless, or whether it's a hot, humid day and you're going to a party and you'll be dancing and you'll be completely sweated. If you follow my makeup techniques, your makeup will last you and it will look really good in real life. It won't look cakey, it won't look heavy, and the application will be nicely blended in, making it look like makeup is intended to look. If you don't follow me already, then I invite you to follow me, have a look at my other videos that will hopefully help you get that flawless makeup look. I also offer one-on-one online makeup sessions, so if you're interested in learning makeup with me, then please contact me, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at peridot_makeup and Snapchat at rashaperidot. If you have any questions, comments or requests, and as always, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I'll stop talking now, let's get into it. The hero of the eye makeup look is the Zoeva Caramel Melange palette, which has these beautiful autumn colors or sunset colors. I'm going to go in with this shade here. Okay, and I'm going to use that on the transition. If your skin tone is fairer than me, then I would recommend you use this color, which is called Start Soft, as a transition shade. Then using the same brush, I'm going to go in with the bright orange, which is called Aftertaste. I'm going to apply that just on the outer corner. See, this is why I love Zoeva palettes, because they're just so beautifully pigmented. And they're quite affordable too. Okay, just applying that on the outer corner. And now I'd like to go in with the gold, which is called the Almost Burnt. That's a really yellow gold, not so much of a bronzy gold. And I'm just going to create a little arch here. And just take that almost to the end. So 3/4 I would say of the eye. But definitely cover up the mobile eyelid with it. And I'm going to bring that into the inner corner and underneath the lower lashes, just the beginning. If you prefer, you can just use that halfway through the eyelid. That's fine. But today I thought, since I'm using colors that I don't usually wear anyway, I might as well go full out. If you've been following me, then you know that I like to marry the upper lid together with the lower lid. So what I use on top, I try and use underneath as well, within limits of course. So I'm going to go in with the first shade that I use for the transition, using a smaller brush, a thinner brush, and applying that underneath the lower lashes. Then I'm going to go with the bright orange, and I'm bringing that closer to the lash line. So next I'm going to go in with a brown eyeshadow, which I'm going to use as a kind of eyeliner. If you have brown eyeliner, by all means use that. For that I'm going to use a liner brush and the eyeshadow. If you need to use a mixing medium, such as Duraline or the glycerin mix, in order to make it a bit more liquid, by all means do, if the pigment's not quite strong enough. And then I'm just going to draw a wing. I wanted to stay away from the black just to keep it in line with the autumn colors. And now I'm going to come in with glitter. The thing is with glitter, with the loose pigment, lately I've been seeing influencers and online makeup artists use eyelash glue on the eyelid to make sure that the glitter or the loose pigment stays on. But please don't do that, because eyelash glue is toxic anyway, so you want to minimize the amount of toxins that you use on your eyes, on such a sensitive area of the face. And when you take it off, you'll have to be rubbing a lot on the eyelid to get rid of the eyelash glue. So if you are using loose glitter powder, then please either use Duraline or Mixing Medium or the glycerin mix, or even a creamy eyeshadow. Mix it up together with the glitter, as long as it's similar color, of course. That'll work as well, but stay away from glue on the eyelid. I'm using an angled liner brush because it's nice and flat. And I'm just gonna draw that from the outer corner inwards, okay? Not gonna go overly crazy with the glitter because you guys know me, I like moderation. Obviously, if you're going to wear this as a day look, that's where you stop, so you can stay away from the glitter. I'm going to put more glitter on just at the beginning of the mobile eyelid, near the inner corner. Next, I'm going to use the glitter just underneath that eyeliner that we drew. Now I'm going to go back with the brown eyeshadow and create that lower line. I'm just going to draw that from the end of the lashes, so where my lower lashes end, and bring it up. A long line, the glitter line, okay? Okay, so I'm going to put a coat of mascara on to blend the lashes in together. Be very gentle when you apply mascara. Just press it on at the base so you don't lift off the false eyelashes. And then when you get to the top, you can do like little strokes upwards. But the root is really most important, just to make sure that they blend in nicely together. Gee, they're big, aren't they? Another thing I'd like to warn you about is to please not put any eyeshadow in the waterline. I've seen that way too many times. Or even lip liners, because they are not safe to be used on the eye area. I'm just going to clean up under the eyes, put my concealer on, and I'll come back to you. And that's the final look. I hope you enjoyed this episode and you learned a thing or two. Please leave me any comments or questions down below, and don't forget that I do give online one-on-one sessions, so please do get in touch with me if you'd like to book one. And don't forget to give me the big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and feel free to share my videos with your friends. Check out my other videos, which are full of realistic tips that help in the real world to keep your makeup looking flawless and last you all day. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.